This is something very short and precise. What I'd like to share is that we're confused in what word, in what situation. We have not asked about the creation and the will of God. But in the creation of heaven and earth, there is a place for us. We exist under God's plan. We, the Nagas, does not exist on the mercy of any other country. But our existence, there is a plan. So we exist. We are proudly to say we exist, the Naga, we exist under the will of God. And when it comes about our land, our forest, our future, our identity, our history, we must stay united. When our land, when our security, when our forest is under threat, our land is under threat, would like to say, please, we should not differentiate. We should not divide ourselves, saying that you belong to this tribe, you belong to this group, you belong to this civil society. When our house is burning, everyone, all walk of life, even children, all age people must come forward and voice out in one spirit to save, to protect our land, to protect our future, for our freedom. So this is something that we must stay united. God has created us as one. So Naga must stay as one. If we are divided in different opinion, we may have different kind of aspect and way of thinking. But when it comes about our principal issue, our freedom, our land, in that principal issue, in that national cause, in that vision of Nagaland for Christ, we have to be one. We cannot stay divided. That will be too dangerous. And this is what not only is NSCN, IM policy or politics. It has nothing to do with that. We are just a vanguard. We're just an instrument to safeguard the land, our future, our forest. A time will come when there will be no more NSCN, IM. A time will come, and now it is coming. It is replaced by the people's voice, people's movement. The peoples are coming in the forefront, and we are so happy that now the people leadership has come. And I'm glad to say that it is no longer NSN movement. It is now people's movement. And through the power of the people, we will triumph. Even in the international world, the referendum, the voice, the referendum of the people will decide our future. So the time has come. Let the people decide. Please, Naga people, let's stay united. And in the fear, in the love of God, in the love of freedom, let's stay united. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.